Trump returns as US president. Can he really end the Russia-Ukraine war? Donald Trump is back in the White House, Fox. Love him or not, you can't ignore him. And with this dramatic return, the biggest question is, can he really bring peace to the Russia-Ukraine war? Or is this just another episode of the Apprentice Global Edition? Let's dive in and figure out whether Trump's art of the deal can outsmart the art of geopolitics. So here is the tea. Trump is officially back in power, and boy, he didn't waste time making headlines. Remember when he said he could end the war in 24 hours? Well, the clock is ticking, Mr. President. The world is watching, popcorn in hand, to see if Trump's comeback will be the plot twist of the century or just another cliffhanger in the political soap opera. Let's pause for a moment and rewind. Trump's relationship with Vladimir Putin has always been, how should I put it, complicated? One might call it a bromance, others might call it a chess game where neither side knows the rules. Is his return to power a fresh chance to broker peace? Or will it leave Ukraine and NATO allies saying, thanks, but no thanks? Now, Trump's supporters are already hyped, saying, this guy's the deal maker. Meanwhile, his critics are like, sure, the same way a toddler makes deals for candy. The stakes are high, people. On one hand, there is hope for peace, and on other hand, there is a fear that Trump might hand Putin the remote control to the world stage. Here is what we really need to ask. First, Trump says he will get both sides to the negotiation table faster than you can say you are fired. But will Ukraine agree to his terms? Or will they say, nice try, buddy? Second, what happens if Trump decides to cut military aid to Ukraine? Will it force them to compromise or just leave them with nothing but memes and moral support? And the real kicker, how will NATO react if the US does a sudden U-turn on its stance? Will they start packing their bags or just sigh and say, not this guy again? Meanwhile, global leaders are probably scratching their heads, wondering what to expect. Trump's return could either be a blockbuster hit or a box office bomb. One thing is for sure, this is no small reboot. Whether your team make peace happen or team, this is going to be a mess. There is no denying that we are in for a wild ride. So here we are. Trump's second season as US president has officially begun. Will he finally deliver on his promises and end the war, or will this be another case of too many tweets, not enough peace? Either way, politics is the gift that keeps on giving plot twists, drama, and more cliffhangers than your favorite Netflix show. If you enjoyed this mix of insights and banter, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to stay tuned for all the twists, turns, and political popcorn moments. See you in the next video.